My husband and I like it cold when we sleep. So we purchased a new portable AC unit. We do currently have one in our bedroom, but it's really big. So we found this one and it appears to be much smaller. So that's kind of exciting. I'm going to unbox it so you can see exactly what it comes with. And then I'll do a follow-up video that will be a comparison to the old one and the new one. So as I unpack it, this is the piece that goes into the window. This is the extendable pipe, which is really nice because you don't have to put it right at your window. Ours currently sits about 2 foot away from our window, and it could actually sit further, but this one has a nice long extendable pipe. Your power cord, which is obviously attached. It does come with a remote control, which is really nice because we keep our remote control totally on the other side of the bedroom. So it does have a nice remote control that will control the temperature, whether it's high or low, and you can even put it on a timer, which is so nice because my husband usually comes into the bedroom about 30 minutes before we go to bed, turns on our air conditioner and shuts the door. But if we set the timer, it'll automatically turn on. So that will be incredible. This little line that it comes with is actually to drain the water because it does collect water. Basically, it pulls the humidity out of the air and it collects it in the AC unit. So every once in a while, you just want to empty that out. Here's our instructions. And it does come with a 24-month warranty, which is amazing. I will definitely be doing that. So let's take the whole thing out. It was packaged really nicely. So it did have styrofoam top and bottom, as well as cardboard, really stiff legs to keep it safe during shipping. Let's get rid of that. Okay, I am going to attempt to pull this out of this box all by myself. So don't laugh at me, okay? All right. Get that plastic out of there. I might have to tip it over because it's kind of heavy for me. So let's do that. I'm going to just tip it over and pull it out. It does have handles on either side. So there's me pulling it out all by myself. The cord comes wrapped for protection, which is nice, with a twist tie. Let's take that off and have a look. It is a GFI safe plug, which is nice for power surges. I live in Florida, so power surges in the summer are definitely a real thing. Also in the box down next to it was this piece, and this is a really important piece. This piece is what goes in your window. Gone are the days of ugly units that hang outside your window. These make it so nice. So it is extendable. So you can make it for a very large window or for a small, and it does come apart. Let me put it back. There we go. So it is extendable. This is where this piece will connect here, and then your tube connects here. And this is all on the inside of your house, which is really nice. As I'm looking at it, it is half the size, literally half the size of our old unit, which is so exciting. It does have this part here in the front that opens up to produce the air conditioning. When you're unboxing, you'll find that it does come protected and taped closed, which is nice because these are made of plastic. So you don't want to get them and they are broken. So yeah, the next step is to just plug her in, connect it to the window, and we're good to go. It's that simple. I love having a portable AC unit in our bedroom because we like to sleep cuddled up. And rather than air condition our entire 1,900 square foot home, we can just air condition our bedroom the way we like to sleep. So yeah, I would definitely recommend grabbing one for yourself. This one is so compact. Definitely recommend. The next video, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and compare it to my old one.